Are you looking forward to turn on or turn off call forwarding on iPhone? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily enable or disable it. Start by heading over to the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom and then head over to Apps. Inside Apps, search for the application Phone and then move into it. Once you're in this page, once again scroll down and you'll see the option where it says Call Forwarding. Click on it. Right now you can see that the call forwarding option is turned off. In order for you to turn it on, all you gotta do is toggle on this button right over here. And there you go, the call forwarding option has been turned on. Likewise, if you want to turn it off, then simply toggle off this button. And then this is simply how you can turn on or turn off call forwarding on iPhone. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.